Hi, it's Sampada. Come sit with me. You are safe here. Okay. Let's figure it out together. Let's decode what you have been feeling lately. Let's talk on boundaries. How do you define boundaries? And even if you define it, why don't you apply it in your life? Why don't it work? Why, if someone tells you that say no and still you can't say no even after you know everything? Why can't you be on your words? I think it won't work that way. If I'll say you that you have to say no, so you'll say no. It's not gonna work in that way. I think if a person is working on his or her boundaries, it means he or she is exploring, okay, discovering the inner self, trying to work on it, but somehow being in the same position. So I think this word comes from the very deep, like from your childhood, from the past years, from the people you have been around, and the people who has no boundaries. Or so yes, this is the pattern which is repeating, and if you don't change it, it will obviously create a loop which will repeat again and again, again and again, again and again, until you feel like, oh my god, why is this happening with me? And you'll realize that until and unless you won't work on it, it won't change. In our life, experiences teaches us so many things. You might have seen, if you're watching this, I think you're matching that thing, that everybody keeps crossing your boundaries, your limits, and हर कोई आके बोल देता है जो उन्हें लगता है, like, and they act as if it's a joke. ओ अरे मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, अरे मैं पागल हूँ क्या? मैं पागल हूँ या तुम पागल हो या मुझे पागल बना रहे हो? I'm like, okay, if you don't put a good boundary, people will mistreat you. They'll like take you as a very easy person. One thing I learned and realized that, am I that easy? मैं इतनी easy हूँ that anybody can come and like say whatever they want to say and cross my limits. Like, am I even not even able to say no? एक नो भी बोलना नहीं हो रहा है मुझे मेरे मेरे खुद के लिए. Am I that easy? Definitely not. I just don't want to be that bichari girl ki, oh my god, no. Again, I'll repeat it that I'll not say you to say no. I won't tell you that. I'll tell you that if you won't say that, how it will affect you. Take an example. You are a single person, okay? अब आपसे बाउंड्री बनाना नहीं जम रहा है for any reason. That no, I'm so nice person. How can I get rude to someone? Okay, but anyways, you are like that person कि no, मेरे से नहीं जम रहा है, मैं सह लूँगी and I can do it for the lifetime. I won't change. Okay. But what if you are in a relationship and there you have to put a boundary, obviously. So सी तुम्हारा हर्ट होना तो नॉर्मल है ना, एज यू सेड कि मुझे चल जाएगा, मैं सह लूँगी, मैं सह लूँगा फॉर द लाइफ टाइम. सो तुम्हारा सहना इज़ ओके भाई, बट इफ़ इट्स लाइक अबाउट योर पार्टनर, वाई वुड ही डू दैट? मतलब वो इंसान क्यों सहेगा जब तुम अपनी बाउंड्री बना नहीं पा रही हो? सो इट्स वेरी डम्ब ना कि योर पार्टनर इज़ गेटिंग हर्ट बाय योर एक्ट्स कि तुम बना नहीं पा रहे हो बाउंड्री. सो आई थिंक somewhere it will affect your relationship, and when it will keep repeating, like affecting, somehow you'll end up and like break your relationship. It is not going to be good. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं you'll have a loss कि यार चल मान लो तुम खुद के लिए नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अरे बट किसी और के लिए तो कर लो, जो तुम्हारा है। तुम उसे भी खोट दोगे उस चक्कर में कि यार तुम बाउंड्री बना नहीं पा रहे हो। अगेन, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू से नो, but I'm telling you how it will affect you. So I'll tell you that you should take baby steps. Like many people think like कि we should ignore, but somehow they end up doing like I'm ignoring them, and ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, it is not good. Bro, listen. पहली बात तो इग्नोर ऐसा करो कि उन्हें पता चले कि वो इग्नोर हो रहा है. लाइक आई वॉज इन दैट जोन कि मैं ऐसा लगता था कि नो, आई हैव टू इग्नोर हिम, बट नो, ही शुड नॉट फील और शी शुड नॉट फील दैट आई एम इग्नोरिंग, और इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. बिकॉज इग्नोर कर रहे हो तो उन्हें पता भी तो चले कि तुम इग्नोर कर रहे हो. सो दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इग्नोरेंस. ओके, इग्नोर करो. यू नो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल एंड यू डोंट नो तुम कहाँ कब कैसे फंस जाओगे. सो बी अवेयर ऑफ सच पीपल एंड प्लीज़ बी अवेयर. कट देम ऑफ immediately, because if you don't do so, then you know what will affect in your life. Thank you for being here and giving me a little space in your time, and I hope this made you a little less alone.